Good medical morning. This is Watson with part 2 about diabetes. Today's video will be less graphic than before, and it will focus on diabetic foot care. And please leave your foot care tips and tricks as a comment below to help our viewers care for their foot problems. So here are our top 10 tips. Protect your feet from heat and cold. Wear shoes at the beach or on hot pavement. And wear socks at night if your feet get cold. Check your feet every day for sores, blisters, redness, calluses, or other problems. If you have poor blood flow, it's especially important to check your feet daily. Wash your feet in warm water every day using a mild soap. Test the temperature of the water with your elbow because nerve damage can affect sensation in your hands too. And don't soak your feet. Dry your feet well, especially between your toes. Gently smooth corns and calluses with an emery board or pumice stone. Do this after your bath or shower when your skin is soft. If the skin on your feet is dry, keep it moist by applying lotion after you wash and dry your feet. Don't put lotion between your toes. Your doctor can tell you which type of lotion is best. Move the emery board in only one direction. And consult a podiatrist for assistance as needed. Check your toenails once a week. Trim your toenails with a nail clipper straight across. Don't round off the corners of toenails or cut down on the sides of the nails. After clipping, smooth the toenails with a nail file, and be very careful not to cause ingrown nails or damage the skin around the nail. Always wear closed-toed shoes or slippers. Don't wear sandals and do not walk barefoot, even around the house. Damaging your feet can ultimately result in a life-threatening situation. Always wear socks or stockings. Wear socks or stockings that fit your feet well and have soft elastic. Search out socks that are designed for people with diabetes, and they can make a world of difference. Wear shoes that fit well. Buy shoes made of canvas or leather and break them in slowly. Extra wide shoes are also available in specialty stores that will allow for more room for the foot if you have a foot deformity. And number 1, see your podiatrist every 2 to 3 months for checkups, even if you don't have any foot problems. Default to their advice and make sure you stay actively involved in your foot health. So there you go, folks. If you have better advice or tips, please leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to hit subscribe and that notification bell so you can see all our videos, including any on diabetes.
Have you ever found yourself wanting to whiten your teeth, but those white strips are too inconvenient or too expensive? Maybe they cause gum irritation. Well, I think it's time that you pick up teeth whitening pens. Just brush them on your teeth once a day, and your teeth will be noticeably whiter in no time. Teeth whitening pens don't irritate your gums like white strips, and they're super convenient. I keep some in my car for the commute to work. Put them at your desk, in your car, in your purse, wherever. They're super convenient, and they're less than half the price of white strips. I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. Pick up yours today.